relax your hips.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this way. Amazing. Well
Oh,
done.
wow.
It's not painful, is it? Or is
No,
it? It's
I'm
just shocking.
so shocked.
Yeah, exactly. There's nothing wrong with your left hand. It's just generally tight
Yeah.
from posture. Cross your arms over. Hold on to your shoulders. Thank you. And flop, 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 flop. And again, flop, flop, flop. And just one more.
Oh my
And
gosh.
breathe. Thank you. And relax your arms for me, please.